of lyrical clashes on that platform. These differences were by and large one-on-ones between two rival factions. However, there was one artist who was the common enemy of all the factions.
You have Gage and then you have Tommylee and Alkaline.
Alkaline and co-ed stay and I go clash, isn't it?
Me no rate Alkaline.
Yeah, it's not NinjaMan alone don't like Alkaline.
This Alkaline is nothing but a piece of crap. Because as a youth I come from the university and go to college, I'm supposed to teach people better than when I teach people.
Did he actually go to college?
No, he spent like a year and left.
You're lucky. Me never come.
If you've seen Vybz Kartel, the fixed interview, he said he have a problem with Alkaline.
Main problem with Alkaline that he was just unwilling to acknowledge that.
No, me no problem with him. I didn't mean to create the problem there.
Okay.
Because people say he take Vybz Kartel style and don't give him no credit, but Vybz Kartel say everything's okay. But this video was obviously 9 years ago with Alkaline, Gage, Tommylee, Masicka. So they saying they don't like Alkaline. I wonder why.
Who refused to be engaged in the melee. His name is Alkaline.
Me crazy, me crazy.
Who is our very special guest right now, right here on stage.
Madam Bud.
Line.
Going on eng.
Blessed love, sir.
Yeah.
My first question to you is why you didn't do Sting?
I had other engagements.
Oh?
Yeah, me did have a show on that day.
So you would have done it?
So you're saying Sting is not the most important show as a Jamaican artist? That don't make no sense.
If you weren't contracted?
Yeah man, Sting at show, you know. You saw me I say and the people them would want to see me. But I don't know as me some way of other engagements, isn't it?
Okay, so those who were calling you coward and that you were shying away from it because of what was coming at you at Sting, you say?
Whatever. Them can't say them want to say. Remember, you know, them not have nothing, you know, them just look at hype.
Yeah.
That's what I say. Them just try to lean on somebody career and them not going to lean on mine. That's what I say. Focus on no one thing.
So would you have taken a clash at Sting?
With myself? We make a clash.
What do you mean by that? You mean there's nobody in your class?
No, I never said that, but who am I war? Who am I have, like, lyrical?
When you were called out by Gage?
Yeah, they might try engage me now war, but me not interested.
Okay.
I think that they so.
It's a Gage. Gage was trying to engage him in a war. You have lyrics. Same artist.
Fair enough.
If the fans them say, yo, Alka, why you take on the youth? Then we'll do it. I mean, I have no choice.
If your fans them say so. So
yeah.
what were your fans saying?
Obvious. They must say, don't pay them youth and mind. So I say them thing, Lily. You see me? And from them say that, I say, okay, no problem.
So did this help or hurt your career? All of this calling up your name and so many people wanting to clash you. And
it must help, man.
It helped you?
You call it say, I never did it, and call it say, me texting.
Yes.
Alkaline. Yes. If me never important or if was such a non-entity as all of them claim, why you not link up on me name, sir?
Okay.
Why me? Is it?
Do you consider these guys your enemy?